local gym. Don't like to go inside, mostly men, working out the frustrations. From the looks of some of them, the only thing they're working on is perspiration. The only way to get me inside is hot women and anticipation. I know it's cold outside, I got caught in the rain. The only trouble with this life is you may have to live it again. About the crazy thing I know, if you don't watch your children, they won't grow. Remember back when you were 3, your mama told you not to watch too much TV. Well, after all, maybe she was right, 'cause now we are watching our eBay, YouTube, MySpace. Of course you know that she was right, so now we can't give up the fight. I know it's cold outside, I got caught in the rain. The only trouble with this life is you may have to live it again. I got caught in the rain. The only trouble with this life is you may have to live it again. I find myself going back to Home Depot. Should have bought 4 when I only needed 3. Well, a voice inside my head said, listen to me, boy. You know, I thought I measured right, length, width, and height, but still I gotta go. Going back to Home Depot. Going back to Home Depot. Going back to Home Depot. I laid them all down, all in a row, and one by one it started to grow. But when we got to the end, there's a little hole, so somebody's going back to Home Depot. I can't believe we didn't buy enough. While you're there, pick up a can of great stuff. You know they got everything you need up and down the shelves, 'cause everybody knows they got everything at Home Depot. going back to Home Depot. Going back to Home Depot. I can't believe we didn't buy more, 'cause now we gotta go back to that store. They got everything you need up and down the shelves, 'cause everybody knows they got everything at Home Depot. Should've bought 8 when I only needed 7. You better hurry up, 'cause they close at 11. You know I should've measured once, should've measured twice, 'cause now we gotta go. Going back to Home Depot. Going back to Home Depot. Going back to Home Depot. That's the way I like it. I gotta find my way to the street. Being trapped in this space much too long, I don't think I can take it. 'Cause that's the way I like it. I can't find the door, gotta search some more. Everybody's counting on me for to find a way back to the other side. Slip right out the back door. No one will miss me till they get up, and by then I'll be gone. 'Cause that's the way I like it. I like to drink my beer really cold. Don't think it's ready till it's dark and nearly frozen. 'Cause that's the way I like it. I can't find the door, gotta search some more. Everybody's counting on me for to find a way back to the other side. I think it's time that we